Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. You may be familiar with Flodesk and Mailchimp, their email marketing platforms. So we're going to go ahead and compare them, see which one is the better one, and we're going to check out all of their features. So let's jump in. So starting out here in Flodesk, you can see that the layout is very simple. I like it very much, and you can create a bunch of awesome things here, such as emails. The email templates are awesome. They've got tons of templates. We've also got welcome forms, and again, you have tons of templates that you can work from. You can also create your own forms without using a template. You can use it straight from scratch. We have workflows as well, and workflows basically allow you to create a sequence of actions and reactions so that when somebody is on your website and they've made an action, perhaps they have clicked on a product, something else will happen thereafter. They will get a reminder of the product. If they don't purchase the product, they will get an email thanking them for their purchase, or whatever the case may be. So you can set this up and reuse it constantly within your plan. You also have checkouts. So once you get into checkouts, you can go ahead and choose one of these templates. You can go and say customize it, and from here you can completely customize this checkout. So if somebody has gone and purchased a product there in your checkout page, this will pop up, and this will be able to allow your customer to maybe make an extra purchase, or as you can see here, there's the sale page, there's the checkout, and there's the delivery page. So you can customize these over here, and as you can see, everything is completely customizable. This is what your checkout page could potentially look like. Flodesk is great. They've got a lot of features. I also feel that Flodesk is very easy to use. However, we're going to jump into Mailchimp and have a look at the few things that they also have to offer. Now, Mailchimp has been in the game for quite a while, and they are quite popular in terms of being an email management system and not just a website or platform. You can create campaigns here. They also have workflow automations, so you can see some of these pre-built journeys or workflows that they've created, such as the welcome and the new contacts through certain platforms. So if you use a journey like this, you can actually customize everything. As you can see, you can set up these workflows and you can just let it run, and your customers are being taken care of. Some of the other things that they do also offer is deep diving into analytics, and this will allow you to see how your account is running, how many emails are being reached, what sort of revenue you're working with here. And this is great to have tied in some integrations. So if you have some integrations on your Mailchimp account, this is great because you can now tie in maybe your accounting platform, or you can tie in some other platforms that will work within Mailchimp. So Twitter, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Canva, and this is great because everything's all in one place, and you don't have to jump from platform to platform to see what's going on within your business or your website or whatever you are managing. Let's have a look at some of the pricing. Now, Flodesk has a very simple way of pricing their product. It's $35 a month. You get a free package, and there's no credit card required. So you just jump in, you have as many subscribers as you like, there's no extra cost, and Flodesk remains $35. It just is that amount. You can see that based on their average competitors' cost, depending on how many subscribers you have, their competitors' cost will increase. Mailchimp's pricing is pretty much simple as well. If you have a look over here, they have a free plan. They do have a couple extra plans, but really from $10 to $15, and you're getting so much value in these packages. It is awesome. Now let us know what you think in the comment section below. I am definitely a Flodesk fan. It's one of my favorites. We'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.